Today we have a very special video lined up, a point of view drive of the 2024 Mustang GT. Not only a point of view drive, a pure sound and a night drive video. If you do want to check out the full uncut version, it'll be the first and only link in the description down below. Make sure you hit that and support the original content creator. I, for one, am just sharing the point of view drive, the night point of view drive of the Mustang 5-liter Coyote V8 with the active exhaust. Pure sound, sounds absolutely amazing. I am a huge fan of the GT, and if you don't want to go for the more expensive dark horse, the GT is definitely a viable option. I, for one, am overthinking it and might go to get a GT instead of my order, which is a 2024 Mustang S650 dark horse. Let me know what you all think about this in the comment section down below. As for this one, that's it for me. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one.